show. Sledge money and dinner crocodile. Hey, madam.
It was some amount aqua buying from Bragan and Sam TVGH. Make sure like, comment, subscribe, turn your notifications so that anytime you post a video, it's area will some back happy. It was some for me, so no. Now, a year politics were Ghana. I dear friend say obi private issues, ni personal issues, say ni fear same, ni boost your same, and all those things. No, we really did not have people talking about it in our public space more. But I dear bakwa me who say I say abai aba, and I say NDC, and no more NDC mudi. They stop at absolutely nothing. Anything they get or even anything they find, and I say, every aspect of somebody's life, and I say, nenye no krempono, omudiye propaganda. And this has been a year NDC for modus operandi. Ever since omu contractee, papa friend Kevin Taylor say, onkasa on their behalf. Now you see, once such things begin, adiana yanyanemu NDC for onka and say, and yet Kevin Taylor nipa onyen Kevin Taylor nkwa na owo camera ni microphone ewo oman Ghana obia wo phone ni bi obia wo camera ni microphone ni bi ese wo ni bi mpo a obia ni bebia betnya ton phone ni microphone ewo. But when you decide to play such a dirty game, you give or you open room for other people also to get on board and do the same thing to you. And ne uko kasa osi Samira Bawumia a penny one sem a won fe Samira Bawumia osi or yeding or chiti or something like that. And then see Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Look, everywhere Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is at every particular point in time can be accounted for. That is the truth. Because any official, you can't say schedules. Always there are cameras on him. So any official schedules are visiting one if all those things are every single time he spends is accounted for. Now, and you have pushed Afia Shwar to come out and say, who boss Julius Debrah no? Or no, or elsewhere have you some skeleton on a cardboard. Afia Shwar na boy can say Vivian jail. But you see, politics originally was not meant to be this way. This was not the true intent. And Asian politics from China, the British. This is not how they do their politics. Now politics has become so dirty organized to the extent say now they have made or built reputation for themselves. They don't want to involve themselves in politics. I didn't say. Musro say all their years of toil to build their name, to build their reputation. Or join people may be sorry to use that word, but we just use few seconds, few minutes to destroy that reputation. Now, very appalling and sad. Because if we don't learn as a society to stop that, to discourage that, a time will come, Ghana will become an international, a laughing stock. And we are headed there almost. Because a former vice president of the republic, a former second lady, and we have people who are courageous enough to switch on their cameras and say such despicable things about them. You have to expect a response by all means because they're politics. Once you play the ball, you expect your opponent to defend. You cannot attack and expect your opponent not to defend. The game is not playing in that manner. And see, the earlier NDC4 bring Kevin Taylor to order, the better for all of us.
Madam! What do you want? Happy before the Yakoshifu and a Kajuman be doing it. I'm sorry. I'm happy before no me see. Now, Samira the name Mamokayo. And then Kevin Taylor. Yeah, come up here with dinner one. I don't think so. We didn't change Julius Debrah. Kevin Taylor, don't bring it on. You can do it to anybody in the NPP. And I don't give a fuck about them. Kavitela, what the Baba Wumiaswa, ye be names of talkatives. What the Baba Wumiane ne Yereswa, Kave, ye be names of talkatives. Me say happy before me, the woman shall was that. The opposite saw the happy be a fire omo. Or sooner than Yameba. Now what's now on Quakan Mulu. And as Samira ye say, Nabawumia ye say, I pray a name, sir. Said you would dance in my ground, Miss me dancing in Vivian Joe. Busa Vivian Joe said Julius Debrah and one home. Aha, what dancing in my ground, Miss me dancing in Vivian Joe. Jai Jimino na wanyini, Jai Jimino na wanyini, Jai Jimino. Now obi did the one, obi did the one child with bosses. Don't start it. Don't.
Oko kan almost my own can. Yet Krumha before said another be free office. Now why employ nurses are not else or me ejuma. Me cousin can't uncle for no. The voice over JD said that the ninja knife in wager 3 months salary pay. Offer me be a no soon because then our rent no a Canada no so won't mean try. Oh, arrears, almost an arrears bear say 1.5 year. Omuntuaye. This any per way Jumamuna say, Ubi the area bar. And quite ben pa no befa so, betting ye in the yems or the ye Juma, Ajini Padenqua. You understand? Because I bind the cat. Me who yenka private companies na, a Ghana, do how we Juma 2-3 months na in Pioka, and that the Ghana buying it made what did or deca or the nurses for in Aka. You see, let us not do this to ourselves. Now, dear, my memra Ura Duncan Williams, Papa Duncan Williams, as so. You see, Papa no baby, na Tiffany could do the oil, no. Ya na me, ya say, as a person, de or ya near the nefra politics, no, but open as tie be ya man. You see, Yatikrumaha, a Kufuadwa, or ye free senior high school, ma Ghana for Emma. Eko school free yenya sofo bia o Ghana say asofo mompa ye na free senior high school nyi yenya sofo ba kokra obebe be gina ho say oh Ghana for mompa ye na de akufo do de aba na ya de papa nti ye mompa ye man nyi ene yesi de bibi the good board nti ye koda no aye kofa adwene ne ye nkoye de ye nko bompa ye ma good board. Nanya go board no mo na so omo make profit no na IMF se mo aboka good board say enye no kre nti pa ye ben bi no mo hia. You see, but me da bia me ka say what the samija mfi ene IMF gina ho a hwan na wo credibility yet kroma samija mfi betwa ntro to Dr. Bawumia so say haptel ye Dr. Bawumia dia later ye hwe na enye no kre. And that's any panel say IMF and good board and Shisha Yas in the almost all mobile can and yanocre. Near Yasofu bin Suswa, Sebi, Nemacro Mompire, or Mompire Momun ye. Say ye mummy and Mompire. Nasa President Mahama or Pegana ye no pay institutions, ye be young crofwa, a bit me a manage institution ye. And Kaubit says a taque. And answer Dr. Cabrado for one is a medium vigil. Why not the Nebacco to good board? Sami Jamfi, a dear Ben Brapa, near Juma Ben experience Ben Wenya, our Ghana until known that the whole Ghana good rehearsal. I mean, I thought that let's be very honest to ourselves. Messi meaning Madame for this in your no uncle's or catch them say, look, and your money be how Kokawa Bonti and I, but appointments and be why and yea, oh, can't help us and we pre-comminta account. No why any health a better a man. Papa, we all man, and was in my ECU ready, more mamma, just a concert and qua. So, inti Nipananga sacro, that good board on some fata, resajmal, a dramatic trust, a medium fear, pa on a life, and as a PRO for Kojobozu, a KMA. And any Juma, why ya, a year a Juma Becase. Kakra. Apart from that, Sami Jamfinya, my papa bia. Net the NS or better TV so can try to cross. Not say any paway, who command us or no name called that good border. What do you expect? Now you see, I told the beer, Ubu na e won hyebrim so obeda prison what oye ho hwe enye yi ti sameje mfine de wo de munja na asem. Now you see President Mahama me de me pese me advice no se ohwe kwan omo afa so afa strike chairman want me trial and yes a sentence chairman want me to prison for 20 years. Chairman want me ade a na oye wo akonta mining wo Samra Boy ho no na enye illegal mining na oye wo no oye mines angaza na President Mahama am se ne refi ne ho se ne nua keto Ibrahim Mahama ade na want me ye wo kana say yi ho no ebia na Ibrahim Mahama so ye wo da man ho no nti o chena bi sa ban sesa na so obi nso koye galamsey wo da man ho a na sa ban ka se da man concession na Ibrahim Mahama de nti ye chi Ibrahim Mahama e de ne bi si o Ghana ha isi ye to da bia politicians o munsua de kakra wo o munsua de kakra President Mahama ya to aba ma wa enkyere se Ghana na ye wo de wo ene okọ all the places you see 24-hour economy market yetimi bu bank gu ye bu court dan gu ye bu school adan gu ye bu market ya inaugurate in 2024 ye bu sa market we nyina gu so ye dey see 24-hour economy market abrasa market we are also will see menua ebetimi abasa 20 by 2030 kra na market dey be ho a ye nsi ye because ebi mokra ho a asase kra mu nyae adwadifo atiti omomo remu a omo akwaji loan na de akoba apata a omo ye ne nkakrakra ye bubu sa niema we nyina gu all in the name of say ye see 24-hour economy market. And so in nowhere in their manifesto they can say yes 24-hour economy policy na ye kan e basic market but bia say ni ho ma hwe omo manifesto me to z bibia ni ho e kire so omo so basic market mo se adwuma baako nipa miensa na be under 3 shift obi abe 8 hours ana mo ka kire maybe say I na say me tie yes oh almost say filling station for started running 24 and I'm so okay yate ene mo say there be adena kra asesa ama say e o say isi market na market ni isi a obetimi akọ no akodware na waton momone awia no we nyina aka say isi mes menuanom Ghana for say omo a ebia out of COVID baye ede ahokyere kakra ba ya president Kufuor be ka kire yen say look eba na economy ne de a yebetimi ya mana yebetimi ya mana yi na mom nipa nkwa de obi wu a yentimi nyane no nyina yete okrom hawo every Sunday papa item pentenkwa ba TV so fellow Ghanaians na oni ya be kasa say ade a asi no yebetimi affect Ghana economy and pounds so affect ye mesre so mo 2024 abufuo ni ade enti omo nto aba omo ye memfa ho this is the time se si ye nyina ya start filibi me se 2024 na can say exchange rate no na 14 cedis right I do make near 27 cedis and almost a dollar and 10 point something I do make here 13 cedis into what kind of improper exchange rate no omo ye was hosa mesre
That's it. I'll come back to you again.
all right
Right? Yo, Ebushanfo, look. Asema ye kano, quite simple. Quite simple. Asofufo, they played a very big role 2024 election. Adia Bakwa, make I pass in my first year at university. My lecturer Baku Kai and he say Ghanaians are notoriously religious. Sana mi lecturer Kai, African studies mo. She say, ye Ghana for no always. Ye per se ye attach a spiritual meaning to everything. And can share ye bad sao, but it has eaten to the extent say, I bet it deep into politics and also.